Hello and welcome. Now take a look at the GBPUSD currency pair, as this pair is also behaving like the Euro USD currency pair. The market overall, if you look at the scenario of the you can say GBPUSD currency pair, GBPUSD currency pair is overall, according to the daily time frame, it broke the previous, you can say, resistance level, you can say support level of 1.1970 and go in the selling direction. Now what happened for the next term period if the market is holding below the 1.1857 level? So according to my suggestion, that this pair must be go in the upside direction, as many analysts say that it will perform in the bullish direction, because Euro USD gold is also making a pull up, but if you look at the gold market in my analysis, that 1755 level is performing the very strong resistance. If the market cannot hold above that area, then continuous bearish movement of gold market will also push the GBPUSD and Euro USD in the bearish direction. But overall, this look like that it's a double bottom pattern and market cannot hold below that area. So my suggestion is for GBPUSD currency, where if you want to take the buying opportunity, then wait for some time, and if the market close the 1.1860 level, H4 candle close above that area, then you take the buying opportunity up to the 1.1960 level. But overall, the situation is that according to that scenario, you will also take the buying opportunity from that area, but your stop loss must be below the 1.1760 level, because maybe the market continue to perform in the bearish direction and heading toward the, you can say, 1.1500 level, because this is the sluggish breakdown in the GBPUSD currency pair from the 1.20 support level. So according to my suggestion, the major trend of the GBPUSD currency pair is bearish, and our next target is at 1.15, you can say 1.1600 support level. If the market make a long range at that point and cannot manage to go above the 1.1970 level, so it will continue to fall, as the situation, political situation of the Britain is day by day tough, and our next target is 1.1600 as the continuation of the longer trend. So minor trends are different for day-to-day time period. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Your continuous sports needed.